The vibrant world of beauty pageants is no stranger to surprise twists and unexpected turns. In the Philippines, where pageantry is deeply rooted in the cultural fabric, the announcement of a new representative is always met with anticipation and excitement. On 6 July 2024, the Miss Philippines organization revealed that Kayla Jean Carter, a 27-year-old Filipino-American with roots in Talisay, Cebu, had been appointed as Miss Charm Philippines 2024. Carter will now represent the Philippines at the Miss Charm International Pageant in the United States on 24 August. Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now. Kayla Jean Carter's journey to the prestigious title of Miss Charm Philippines 2024 is a testament to her dedication, grace, and unwavering commitment to representing her heritage. Born and raised in Northern California, Carter's Filipino roots have always been a significant part of her identity. Her family hails from Talisay, Cebu, a place she holds dear to her heart. Carter's foray into the world of pageantry began with her participation in the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 competition, where she represented Northern California. Despite the fierce competition, she emerged as one of the top 10 delegates, a remarkable achievement that highlighted her poise, intelligence, and charisma. Her performance in the Miss Universe Philippines pageant not only showcased her beauty but also her ability to connect with people, making her a standout contender. The opportunity for Carter to step into the role of Miss Charm Philippines 2024 came unexpectedly. The original title holder, Krishna Gravides, withdrew from the competition to pursue the Miss World Philippines 2024 crown. Gravides' decision to relinquish her title left a void that needed to be filled swiftly, especially with the international pageant date fast approaching. The Miss Philippines organization turned to the highest-ranking delegates from the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 pageant to find a suitable replacement. Among the candidates, Carter emerged as the most qualified, not only because of her impressive performance but also due to her existing US visa, a crucial requirement for competing in the United States. This seamless transition allowed Carter to immediately focus on her preparation without the logistical challenges of securing a visa. On 6 July 2024, the Miss Philippines organization officially announced Carter's appointment as Miss Charm Philippines 2024. The announcement was met with widespread acclaim and support from the pageant community and fans alike. Social media platforms buzzed with congratulatory messages and expressions of pride in Carter's new role. In her official statement, the Miss Philippines organization expressed their confidence in Carter's ability to represent the country on the international stage. They highlighted her exceptional qualities, including her dedication to her advocacy work, her cultural pride, and her readiness to take on the challenges of the Miss Charm International pageant. Preparation for the Miss Charm International 2024. With less than 2 months to prepare for the Miss Charm International 2024 pageant, Carter's schedule has become a whirlwind of activities. From wardrobe fittings to intensive training sessions, every aspect of her preparation is meticulously planned to ensure she represents the Philippines with distinction. Carter's training regimen includes public speaking workshops, fitness routines, and runway coaching. She is also working closely with a team of stylists, designers, and mentors to perfect her presentation and overall image. Beyond the physical preparations, Carter is deeply committed to her advocacy work, which focuses on education and empowerment for underprivileged youth in the Philippines and Filipino communities abroad. Kayla Jean Carter's appointment as Miss Charm Philippines 2024 marks a new chapter in Philippine pageantry. Her unique background as a Filipino-American brings a fresh perspective to the competition, highlighting the diverse and global nature of Filipino beauty and talent. Carter's journey also underscores the importance of resilience and adaptability in the world of pageantry, where unexpected opportunities can lead to extraordinary achievements. The legacy of Miss Charm Philippines. The Miss Charm Philippines title has always been a prestigious one, with a history of producing outstanding representatives who excel on the international stage. The title's legacy includes previous title holders who have made significant contributions to their communities and have brought pride to the Philippines through their accomplishments in various international pageants. Kyla Jean Carter is poised to continue this legacy with her unique blend of charm, intelligence, and cultural pride. As she prepares to compete in the Miss Charm International 2024 pageant, she carries with her the hopes and dreams of the Filipino people, both in the Philippines and around the world. The journey to the Miss Charm International 2024 pageant will undoubtedly be a challenging one, but Kyla Jean Carter is more than ready to take it on. Her determination, coupled with the support of her family, friends, and the entire Filipino community, will be her driving force as she strives to bring home the coveted title. In the weeks leading up to the pageant, Carter will continue to hone her skills, perfect her presentation, and immerse herself in her advocacy work. Her ultimate goal is to not only win the title but to use her platform to make a meaningful impact on the lives of others. Kyla Jean Carter's appointment as Miss Charm Philippines 2024 is a momentous occasion that celebrates her dedication, resilience, and cultural pride. As she prepares to represent the Philippines at the Miss Charm International 2024 pageant, she embodies the spirit of Filipino beauty and excellence. The entire nation stands behind her, cheering her on as she embarks on this exciting journey. Stay tuned to witness Carter's incredible journey unfold, and join us in supporting her quest to bring home the Miss Charm International 2024 crown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Kyla Jean Carter's journey and other exciting stories in the world of pageantry. Thank you for watching.